Hi there, this is Paul from Team Safehouse, and welcome to the first Opening Bell Highlights video, a series that recaps our recent live stream of a trading session that is exclusive to our premium members on Discord. Today's episode takes us back to Wednesday, July the 5th, during the New York session, with its Safehouse team, Victor, George, and Wei, narrowed in on gold spot. We've cut the entire stream recording down to size so that you can have a behind-the-scenes look at what goes on during one of our live sessions and the insights that our team discusses while patiently waiting for trade setups to pan out. If you're an aspiring trader looking to develop proficiency and consistency in the markets, be sure to check us out on successrepeated.com and join us on Discord. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Without further ado, let's run the disclaimer and hop right to it.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
Look what's behind the previous week high. Yeah. If it can beat that area, then it gets very interesting. But if not, well, good luck.
Yeah. I would be surprised just to push with no reaction there. But if it pushes, if it takes that previous week high, and then if it backtests the value area high plus that area of resistance, and it could flip it, then yeah, that would be interesting. That would be bullish.
The scalp and gold. Yeah, me too. Mario took it on
I
the pick. What a show off. 1933.45. Oh my god, look at this guy. What the hell?
Okay. So
Jeez, no ways, man.
Yeah, you have to
Oh,
enter-
element 2.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. You know, for a scalp like this,
Yeah,
VWAP.
that's good. That's good. How much is that move?
Let me see. I'm gonna measure it. This is on the 1 minute. So let's say you enter somewhere around here to VWAP. That's 0.3.
Okay, that's good. That's very good. The only thing, we don't have kind of a backtest of is down.
Yeah. It
That's the only thing.
Just a little bit like that, yeah.
Oh,
I
so
mean, that
it
was
took-
the big value area low, previous week high, and this is something, since we're now back at these double POC area VWAP, I think that can be perfectly the end of the scalp. And if the VWAP is flipped to resistance, then you can look for something like this.
Yeah,
From
the
here.
lows.
From here
If
to
it-
here,
Mhm.
maybe to the value area low down here, and then be happy.
That weekly open looks good. If VWAP will be lost and flipped, because we do have
Yep.
liquidity, from what I've seen.
The daily's already been tapped, and weekly level as well. Would
Yep.
be if it's the weekly open. Otherwise, it's empty spaces.
Gold, I just took a scalp long off of the GP touch, a very, very local one. Closed it a few seconds ago.
Why are you closing it, man?
Nothing quick.
Oh, so it's flipping VWAP.
It seems to be, at least in the 1 minute, so need to give it some
whoa.
time.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh la la. I'm missing the where's my freaking daily open? Bad Victor. There we go. Single brains. It could be like part 2.
Yeah.
Something like that. Risk reward 7. Lol. I
Yeah.
need a very high win rate if you take trades only like this. Ooh, just a little bit. Ooh, a little bit more. Ooh,
I mean,
Oh, this is exactly what I want to see. On gold.
on gold. Yeah.
That's my that daily level of support there, 1907. That was already hit on Friday, so it's not fresh anymore. I don't know if that can hold another strike, so to speak. That makes sense. First touch is great. Second touch is
Exactly.
Not so
That's
cool.
that's one lesson everyone should understand. So first touch, you can be more aggressive. One would expect a reaction. Second touch,
you
Wait
can be
for-
more aggressive on the first touch. You're gonna get burned on the second one. I'm talking about trading though. Ooh, just a little bit. Ooh, See, we need some background music for this because it's like, wait for it.
There's stuff to test, and I shall test it.
So yeah, basically this is one that we have to admit is as soon as you zoom out to the 15-minute, we are screwing around with the golden pocket 786 area. Yeah, so if this is to be a bullish impulse and it's made a higher high compared to this one, yeah, so at least locally, this is very counter trendy below the VWAP. So it's one where you can cash in some profits. And if you get stopped out at break even, that's fine for the rest. Yeah. Do not claim the daily open. That's a very bad sign because that means this has just been gathering aggressive short positions opening, basically, and it's ready to rip up again. So the daily open can be used as a very nice SR flip level in this case. Support this morning at 10 my time, support at 2:30 my time, and now being lost. But yeah, reclaiming it would not be very cool for the short. Yeah. So this is how you can break up the. I mean, another option is to just say I'm going to leave a little bit open from the upper one instead of closing it at the VWAP. But once again, same argument. Yeah, it is an area of resistance. True, we're still above the VWAP, above the daily open, so it's very aggressive. Yeah, and this one is for the aforementioned reasons kind of the same.
I have closed my gold trade completely because I just reached my targets and I'm happy.
Which one? The long, the short, the long?
The short and the long, and then the short after the long.
If this week manages to close above 1919, it could create a. Oh, let's turn this off. A weekly level of support and actually create a very nice low, a swing low. So I think Element was talking about the golden pocket. If we pull from this low to this high, so if you do the big one like this is the golden pocket. So if you create a weekly level of support that is now taking 1, 2, 3 weekly candles, that's a lot of time spent down here and not really dropping lower, right? So that's actually good. So that weekly open this week is especially juicy as it can make a very nice statement for a very nice swing low. If that does establish as a nice local bottom at least, and we can start looking up at maybe 1960, that's another weekly level. This one has been tapped, so there's nothing more. And I think we have, there you go. There's a monthly level at 1989, yeah? So there's a lot of stuff in between, I know. But that would be kind of a cool statement on the weekly time frame at least. Yeah, so that's what could be in the making for now. But while we wait for that to happen, which takes an entire week, we can have some fun with logo stuff basically. Talk about the dynamic R concept. So if the entry is somewhere here, that's your risk reward, right? But if price has already moved down to here, compared to your original entry, yeah, in order to get that last chunk that you're missing, compared to how the trade was before, now it's 0.7. So as you get closer to your target, your risk reward gets worse and worse. So what does that mean? Take profits. Yeah. So this is about halfway there. That can be a nice 50% in the pocket, and the rest, whatever happens, happens. Yeah. Especially because we're being very aggressive now. Because in the end, it's going to be the difference between making you're always going to be cashing in those take profit ones, maybe 50%, for example. And the other 50%, it either comes or it doesn't, but you're always guaranteeing payday. If you have a risk reward of 1.5 or 2, then those losses add up over time and then can really eat up into your account. And if you apply this kind of risk reward idea to any time frame, that's when your account can not only make that little by little regular payday kind of stuff, but it can also, when a trade has a lot of follow through and you've already taken profits, you can let a little bit run and cash in some more, for example. Yeah. So it makes nice juicy jumps every now and then too. But the trick of all of it is not how much am I gonna make, but how much do I want to lose if I'm wrong. That's more important, much more important.
All right, well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I am going to end the stage now. Stay safe and
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.